Money. Yo, 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 what's up? What's up? It's Coach Nick Money in the house, yo. In the house.
In the house.
In the house, yo.
In the house.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And I'm with the one, the only DBL Nicks
In the house.
Are you ready? Are you ready for this? Do you like it? Do you like it like this? Let's go.
Push it in the
Let's go. Let's go. And of course, the secret weapon is here. Also, DBL Mom's the bushy tail Serengeti specialist. Yeah, baby. Yeah. It's not a party unless we got the Serengeti specialists out there getting some stonks for the indelible pride. Let's go. Let's go.
Yeah.
Come on. Come on. All right, folks, if you're not subscribed to the YouTube channel, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, and let's get a share party going on. Let's get some people in here. Let's go. Let's go. And you might want to do what this young man says.
Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe, as well as ring that bell icon to stay notified when new videos are uploaded. And remember to share.
Sharing is caring. Let's go. Let's get that sharing going on. Let's get some people in here. Let's grow the stream. Let's get it going. Let's get it really big so we can put more and more content out there for you. Top Success, good morning. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. And if you're not following us on X.com, go ahead and follow us on X.com, a.k.a. Twitter, at Coach Nick Money.
At Coach Nick Money.
At Coach Nick Money. And, of course, we're also on Facebook, Instagram, and Twitch at Coach Nick Money.
At Coach Nick Money.
And on TikTok at DBL Nicks.
DBL Nicks.
DBL Nicks. And the screen name is Coach Nick Money. All right, folks, we're going to be streaming on social media, and then after that, we're going to take this show to our private Discord. You can come and join us with the link in the description and the pinned comment for a 4-day trial for $1.99. Come on and check it out. Check it out, folks.
And you dig it.
Yeah, baby. And, of course, not only will we be streaming live every single morning in the Discord and going over how we trade and the various indicators and strategies that we use, but you'll also have early access to all the parabolic runners that we call very early in the morning, sometimes the day before. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, that's what we do. You know how we do. Come on now. Come on. Like, for example, this morning we called PRFX. And it went up 254%. We called it early for the Discord. Come on now. You know we do that. NCNC, 227%. SOAR, 121%. TRNR, 101%. And the Discord got fed early in the morning because we weren't live on the various social media platforms. So, you know what I'm saying? But you'll be able to get that in the Discord. So go ahead and click that link in the description or in the pinned comment for the 4-day trial for $1.99 and see us in action. See us cook for yourselves. Yeah. See it with your own eyes. All right. Let's go and see what's going on over here. Let's go and check out some of these stocks. A lot of these stocks ran earlier in the morning, but now they're pulling back. But let's see what's going on. How about we buy? WBUY. It has pumped up. Let's see what's going on with We Buy. All right, let's go and check it out. What's the story? They had some insider buying. Float 19 million. Volume only 4 million. Currently up 82%. All right. Seems to be stalling out. We got a bit of a top tail. It needs to reclaim that top tail. Doubles. It needs to reclaim it. Doubles. It needs to reclaim it. We got resistance right around this level right over here. Roughly right over there. We can see that the RSI is absolutely extended. Yeah, I don't know. We'll see what happens. We'll keep an eye on it for a second. We'll keep an eye on it for a hot second, but it is a top tail. We don't like those top tails. Let's see what it looks like on the 5. No, that's the 5 minute. Let's see what it looks like on the 1 minute. No. A lot of top tails. We got 3 top tails. We got a head and 2 shoulders. Forget about it. Let's go pull back. Forget about it. What are we gonna? I want to take a look at BKKT. There was a rumor that DJT, this one right, come on now. New keyboard is wrecking me, Doubles, wrecking me. DJT
DJT.
might be buying BKKT.
BKKT.
So I don't know. It kind of jumped up a lot, but now it's just consolidating. I don't know. I mean, it's at the top dollar right now. I don't know. We'll see what happens. Just a little note. You know what I mean? How about NCNC?
NCNC.
Huh, Noko. Double top. No. Let's get rid of some of these indicators. Make it a little bit more clear for y'all. Let's make it a little clearer. Let's go. Let's do this. All right, here we go. All right, the graffiti pencil is activated. Doubles.
Yeah.
Graffiti pencil activated. We got a head. Double top. Double top. The old flusheroo. It's trying to recover, but we do have a flusheroo over here. And it needs to break the VWAP, which is roughly around 25 cents for Noko. Huh. What's the story with Noko Loco? I want to call it Noko Loco. It sounds better. Forget about this Noko.
It sounds like an ice cream flavor.
Yeah, it's currently up 160%, but it was up a lot more than that. It was up 227%, 25 cents stock, very volatile. You know, those sub dollars, they're always volatile. Float 6 million, volume 195 million. I mean, that volume alone makes me want to keep an eye on it. But right now, it looks kind of bearish. It needs to break above the VWAP and show me some dignity, show me some respect. Other than that, I don't know. How about QUBT? Doubles.
Yeah.
You missed the Q. I said QUBT.
QUBT.
You missed the Q, bro. You missed the Q. QUBT. All right, folks, we got to get some people in here. I need some energy. I'm going to take my espresso ice break. We need some people in here. Let's get to 100 people. We got 67 right now. Let's go. 67, 68, 60. Never mind. Get your head out of the gutter, folks. Come on now. I got the chancleta queen over here. I can't mess with that. No, I can't. I'm telling you. Yo, come on now. Let's get something that's cooking. Come on, I'm looking. How about let's check out TRNR. It had some news in the morning. Let's go check it out. TRNR ran 101%, but I don't know. I mean, it had a pennant over here, and it broke out with the pennant, but now it went below the VWAP. VWAP's at around $4.50, more or less. Right now, we got the possibility over here of I don't know, maybe a double bottom, maybe. I don't know, maybe, but it's sub VWAP. I don't know. It's going to have to prove its love to me. Let's take a look and see what the specifics are on it. Right now, it's up 71%, $4.37. It's going to test the VWAP. Interactive Strength Inc. drives CLMBR growth in Saudi Arabia with multiple installation across Arma Sports Group BFit brand. I don't know what that means. I have no idea. But what I do know is the float's only 31,000. This is like a micro mini skirt float, 31,000. Volume 13 million. But then there was that massive sell-off over here. So we really need to get above the VWAP. Let's go ahead and get the graffiti pencil activated, folks. The graffiti pencil is activated at $4.48. It needs to break that level. Again, looks like maybe a double bottom on the 1 minute. Let's go to the 5 minute. 5 minute. We go take a look at the 5 minute doubles. Looking at the 5 minutes, and it looks like a cup with potentially a handle. That would be also bullish. So maybe we got some confluence between the 5 minute and the 1 minute. Let's take a look at the RSI. What's going on with the RSI? The RSI is moving towards the overbought area, but it's still in the middle, so that's good, but there's not a lot of volume candles, so we need some volume doubles. We need some volume. Folks, we got to get some sharing going on. We're at 89, folks. 89, folks. Let's get over 100. Come on now. I'm working hard out here. The Serengeti is hot. It's hot and dusty. And the grass is high, and I'm getting chafed from the, from the grass. It's like rubbing my buttocks, you know? Come on now. Come on now. Help me out here. Let's get to 100 people. Let's share. Come on now. Let's share. Doubles. Let's share. Yeah. All right. Let's take a look at BNZI. BNZI has some news. Multiple recognition from Gartner Digital Markets in 2024. I don't know. That's kind of like, I don't know, kind of odd news. But the float's 317,000. Right now, there's not that much volume on it. 29,000. But it does have news. It has a very low float. We'll keep an eye on it. Top Success wants us to check out SOAR. S-O-A-R. S-O-A-R. It ran earlier in the morning. S-O-A-R. Let's check it out. It's double topping right now. So far, it has a double top. You got a top over here. Let's go ahead and get that graffiti pencil activated. Right there, right there. We got a top over here. And you got a triple top over here. So you got a double top and then a triple top. So that's kind of bearish. Kind of on the bearish side. That being said, let's do a zoom in the room. Let's go and take a look at what it looks like on a 5 minute. Let's go.
5 minutes.
5 minute. 5 minute. I mean, I guess you could say it's trying to form a pennant. But more or less it looks kind of bearish. It needs to break out of this pennant, and then it'll have resistance at the 44-cent mark. Let's see if we can get some news on SOAR. Let's see if there's any news on it. It's up currently 90%. It's a 40-cent stock. Volato Group. Revenue of 40 million. That's the news on November 18th. Float 15 million. Volume 56 million. Volume 56 million. It needs more volume. It's up 96%. I don't know. It's moving kind of slow. I don't know. It's not exciting me, Doubles. It's not. It's not. No. Not terribly exciting, I would say. How about HCWB? HCWB. Let's check it out. HCWB ran yesterday, parabolique, and of course we called it early. Of course we called it before it ran. Of course we did. You know what we do. Come on now. You know what we do. Come on. All right, so currently it's below the VWAP. It had news this morning, I believe, right? It wasn't great news. They announced a $7 million direct offering. That was the news. Yeah, that was the news. I mean, understandable. I mean, it ran like a Dickens, right? It ran like a Dickens. You could see it from the 5 minute. You could see it. And you could even see that we did the little descending wedge before it went parabolique completely to $2.52. But currently it's $1.55. The story is it's got a float of 18 million and a volume of 21 million. And it ran parabolique yesterday. Did it have news yesterday? I'm just curious. I don't remember. Let me check. It had a licensing agreement. It entered into a licensing and research agreement with a co-development agreement for immunotherapeutic products candidate. That was the news. And then, of course, after it ran parabolique, it diluted. But now it's testing the VWAP. Needs to break VWAP. VWAP's right around over here. Right there, I would say $1.66. So it needs to break the VWAP. Needs to break the VWAP to become interesting. Right now, it doesn't have a lot of volume, but I'll keep it on a side chart. Side chart. Yeah. Anywho, all right. So that's the story with that one. Looking. How about ZENV? I don't know. No volume. How about UAVS? This one ran yesterday. UAVS. Let's see what the story is. Currently up 14%. They had 17 new purchase orders for EB-TAC drones. That was November 14th. I don't know. Oh, isn't this the one that had that went to the White House? Oh, that's what this one is. Okay, this was the one that went to the White House. I went to the White House. Key discussions on commercial unmanned aerial vehicles. That's the story on that one. But now it's only up 14%. I don't know. It looks like it. I don't know. It looked like it pumped and it dumped. I don't know. It's breaking through these levels. Here's some key levels. It's moving ever so slightly, but it's up only 13, 14%. I don't know. I'm not feeling it. Doubles. I'm not. I don't know. No? What do you think, Doubles? Nah? We got to we got to find some more. Bobo's in the house. What's up, Bobo? We got to find something more parabolique. I don't know. It's just not. This is not doing it for me, Doubles. What do you think? No, right? No. Let's check out SPAI.
SPAI.
SPAI. Let's see what the story is. The float. Oh, it's time for some espresso ice. Oh, my. We got some dryness in the throat. Oh, my. Oh, my.
Oh my.
Okay. All right. I feel better now. Safe Pro exceeds 200% year-over-year increase in fourth quarter revenue, driven by record sales. That was at 8:03 in the morning.
8:03 in the morning.
4.2 million float volume. 4 million. But currently up only 13%. It went up as high as 57%. It did not hold up very well. It almost broke its neck over here when it collapsed. So, I don't know. I don't know. I'm going to say meh. Meh. Forget about it. Forget about it. How about we check out TRNR? Let's see.
TRNR.
I don't know. I don't know, doubles. I don't know.
I don't know.
I don't know. It can't break through the VWAP. I don't know. Let's clear some of these. Let's clear some of these drawings over here. It's not breaking through the VWAP. I don't know. Let's just clear the drawings. I don't know. It needs to break the VWAP. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
That's what it needs to do. That's what it needs to do. I don't know. I'm not seeing anything that's like really exciting. PRFX. Let's go check it out. PRFX. That was the big parabolic run. It ran 254% this morning. And of course, we called it early. Come on, you silly birds. You silly birds, yeah. All right, but right now, I don't know. It looks still very bearish. Very bearish. It's got a shoulder right over here. A shoulder right over here. And a regular shoulder right over there. And it's got a head. So it's got a head and a shoulder. That's kind of bearish. It needs to break this trend over here. And it certainly needs to get above VWAP. VWAP's right around $1.34. Let's go ahead and put that VWAP mark right over there. $1.34, $1.35. It needs to break it, baby. We put a little dingy dingy with our VWAP is. The VWAP is 135.
135.
We'll put the dingy dingy over there so we can see it. I don't know. It's below VWAP. I don't know. I don't like it when it's below the VWAP. I want it to be above the VWAP. You know what I mean? Yeah, you know what I mean, don't you? Okay, let's see. What else is going on? I don't know. Still looking. Let's see. What else can we look at? What else? I need a new one. How about SPGC? SPGC. Let's take a look at it. No volume. SPGC. No volume. 320,000 float. I mean, so low, the float, but the volume. 4,000. Is there any news for SPGC? Let's see. Not really. No. Forget about it. I'm looking at the screen here. I'm trying to find something juicy, but I don't see nothing juicy. Do you see anything juicy, doubles? I don't see it. I don't see nothing. By the way, ladies and gentlemen, this is not financial stock advice. This is just a show. Do you see the big red sign that says not financial stock advice? We are not giving stock or financial advice. We are not stock or financial advisors. Do your own due diligence. This is just a show.
Hey!
Oh, my. My headset almost fell off. All right. That's what I'm talking about. That's what I'm saying. All right. All right. I'm still looking. I'm kind of like disappointed. I hate when there's nothing running. It's like boring, you know? I could talk about stuff, though. I could talk about stories. I can talk about stories, doubles.
Yes.
I can talk about stories. You want me to talk about some stories?
Ooh, we can do that.
I could talk about some stories. I don't know. Maybe I will. Maybe I won't. I don't know. Maybe I will. Maybe I won't. I don't know. I'm going to keep looking for some stonks. I'd rather look for some stonks, you know, doubles? Yeah, I'm just going to look for some stonks, you know?
Stonks.
I don't know. How about Noko? Let's check out Noko. It's curling. Noko. NC. Noko. It had a double top, and it went down, and now it seems to be breaking through the VWAP. It's curling, baby. It's curling. Oh my! Let's clear some of these drawings. Maybe we might have something cooking here. Let's see. Let's see. Let's see. Could we have potentially a descending wedge? Let's go get that graffiti pencil activated. Could we have a descending wedge over here? Could it be? Could it be a bull reversal? I mean, it's kind of trying. It's trying. It needs to keep trending upward. It needs some more volume. Let's go to the 1 minute doubles. 1 minute. I'm going to do a zoomy zoom in the room. Let's go zoom into it. Let's check out what's going on with this candle. This candle only has 242,000 shares. 242,000 shares. Noko Noko. Noko Noko is up 172%. It was up 227%, so it gave back quite a bit. It's a 26-cent stonk. Noko Noko and DG Capital Group sign a memorandum of understanding to drive decarbonization solutions for energy transition. That was October 29th, 2024. So they got no news whatsoever. Noko Noko, Noko news, Noko Noko news, no, Noko Noko. No news. Float, 6.5 million. Volume 203 million, and it did a flusheroo. No. Forget about Noko Noko to you. No. What is wrong with you, Noko Noko? What is wrong with you? What's wrong with you? I'm talking about you to the indelible pride, and you go and embarrass yourself by going red. What's wrong? You got to control your redness, yo. You got to control it. Stop doing red in public. You know what I'm saying? It's not becoming of a stonk. You know what I mean? It's not. It's just not, yo. Right, Doubles? I don't know, man. I don't know what these stonks are thinking. I just don't know. I don't know, man. I don't know. All right, here's another low floater. SNOA. Snow. Now, this has a history of doing flusheroos, this particular stonk. But I don't know. It's got news on the 11th. Clearance for microcin-based wound care hydrogel. I don't know. Not a lot of volume on it. But it's a low floater, 1.2 million. Keep an eye on it. I mean, it made a little bit of a move a little bit earlier. Only 294,000 shares right now. So, man, I wouldn't be looking at you if something else was running. I'm just saying, I don't want to hurt your feelings, Snow. But I don't like snow. I like sunshine. I like the beach. I like the sand going through my toesies. My toesies. I like the sand that's... Oh, I got a story. DBL moms. Should I tell them about the cruise? Oh, my. Should I tell them about the cruise? Listen, y'all. Let me know in the chat if you want me to tell you about the cruise story. I'll tell you the story about the cruise if you want it. If you tell me in the chat you want me to tell you this cruise story, I'll tell you about the cruise story. Frog says yes. What's up, Frogs? What's up? Frogs in the house. Frogs wants me to tell the story, so I got to tell the story. All right. So this was a long time ago, right? DBL Moms, what was it? It was like a long time ago. Probably about, well, I don't want to say how long ago because I don't want to harp on how old I am. The bones are aching though, I'm just saying. But don't get it twisted. I ain't Tyson. I'm not. Never mind. Jake Paul, call me. Tag me in, Jake Paul.
Oh, you don't want that.
On the other hand, if they gave me 20 mil, maybe I would let him make it look like he could beat me. Why not? You gonna give me 20 mil? I'd do it. Come on, that was rigged. No, was that rigged? I don't know. Tyson would have ripped him apart, or at least bit his ear. I don't know. I'm just saying. What do I know? I don't know nothing. In the chat, was it rigged? Was the Jake Paul Tyson fight rigged? Put it in the chat. Yes or no? Yes or no? Yes or no? Yes or no? Come on now. Yes or no? All right, so I'm going to talk about the cruise, but while we're doing that, I'm going to check out what's going on with PRFX. Let's see if it can recover from that head and shoulders pattern. Come on, this keyboard's wrecking me. PRFX. Oh, my oh my. It's testing the VWAP. I don't know. Double bottom. Need some volume. All right, so anyway, way back when we were invited to take a cruise to Bermuda, not the Bahamas, Bermuda. By the way, Bermuda is not in the Caribbean. The Bahamas is in the Caribbean. By the way, Bermuda, gorgeous. DBL Bobs, yes or no?
Yeah.
Yes or no? Okay. They've got a beach, all right? So what made me think about telling you the story, let's share the stream so I can tell the story to more people. Let's do a share party while we're at it.
Share party.
Yeah, let's get to 200 people, 200. Let's get to 200. Let's tell the story time to everybody. Let's do a share party. Let's do a share party while we're waiting. While we're waiting for one of y'all stocks to wake up, you know? Oh, SOAR seems to be soaring maybe. Let's see. Hold on. SOAR, SOAR. Oh, you're starting to wake up a little bit? Yeah, a little bit. I don't know. Not very impressive, but we'll see what happens. We'll keep an eye on it. I don't know. SOAR. You're making me soar. You're up 100%. 100%. I don't know. What's the story with SOAR? Let's check it out. SOAR up 100%. 42-cent stock. Earnings. They had revenue of 40 million, float 15 million, volume 63 million. But if I zoom out, it's a double top. Bearish. If I zoom in, it was like a pennant, but it broke down and now it's trying to recover. So you need to make up your mind. SOAR. If I go to the RSI is smack in the middle. The volume is starting to somewhat come in. I don't know. It's choppy. This particular candle does not have a heck of a lot of volume on it. 415,000. It needs to give me some more volume. It needs to push, and then it needs to break this level right over here of around 45 cents. Let's see what it does. In the interim, we're talking about the voyage, right? The cruise voyage to the one, the only, where, DBL moms? Bermuda. Ah, yes. Bermuda. So anyway, beautiful place. They have multiple beaches. Like they have Tobacco Bay. They got Elbow Beach, right? It's called Elbow Beach, right,
Yeah,
DBL moms?
Elbow Beach.
But the most beautiful beach that they have is a place called Horseshoe Bay. And they call it Horseshoe Bay doubles because it's in the shape of a horseshoe, right? And then in the water, there's this big projectile rocks that come darting out of the water, right? So it's very picturesque. And check this out, the sand. The sand is like talcum powder, by the way. SOAR is now up 105%. It's coming up to resistance at the 45-cent level. Listen, either run SOAR or leave me alone so I could tell my story. Either way, one or the other. You know what I mean? One or the other. I know you made $40 million in revenue. I know the news came out yesterday. But, if you're going to interrupt my story and not run, what are we doing here? What are we doing? Okay? You need to run. Should I pay attention to you or should I tell my story? All right? Because Horseshoe Bay was gorgeous. Okay? So the powder, the sand is like talcum powder. And it has like a little hue. Is that the word? Hue? A hue?
It's a hue. It looks pink.
Yeah, it has like a pinkish hue. The sand is like pinkish, like a very light pinkish color, right?
Yeah.
Like a pinkish color, right? And
Yeah.
absolutely gorgeous. You walk into the water, and I said water because I'm from South.
Water.
I'm from the South.
Yeah,
South Queens. The projects, yo. You know what I mean? Yeah. By the projects, by Red Fine. You know what I mean? Yeah. So that's the accent there. Now you can place it. No, it's not Brooklyn. It's Queens, yo. In the house, folks. Yeah. All right. Anyway, back to the story. I get distracted a lot, doubles. You know that?
Yes, you do.
I'm like all over the map.
It happens.
Should I say I'm weaving? I'm weaving, yo. I'm
gonna
weaving.
weave.
I'm weaving, baby. Back to the story about the cruise. Espresso ice. Okay. So anyhow, you walk into the water, crystal clear. You go up to your chest. Oh, wow. Wait a minute. SOAR is testing the resistance. Oh, we got another resistance area at 46 cents. It's currently up 115%. Oh, my.
115%.
Oh, my. Are we getting some movement here? Top tail. We don't like the top tails. We don't like them. We got significant resistance over here at 45 cents. We need to see it reclaim that area. We can see that the RSI is starting to cook towards the overbought area, but it's starting to accelerate. We got some acceleration, folks. Oh, my. SOAR. Come on, you need to SOAR. SOAR. You need to SOAR. You had earnings, 40 million. Come on. This came out yesterday. Come on. I know your float's a little bit heavy, but you only 46 cents. Dude, come on. 15 million float. Oh, my. Oh, my. We have some extension. 135%. Top tail. 50 cents is now resistance. Resistance is futile because SOAR is starting to soar. Pushing and pushing. Bumping and bumping. It's pumping, folks. Oh, my. It's reclaiming the wick. Flick of the wick, sir. Flick of the wick, sir. Come on. Push, push, push. Resistance at 50. Squeezy, squeezy. Nice and easy. You wear your Speedos 3 sizes too small, you deserve to get squeezed. Come on now. Come. That didn't sound right, Doubles. No, that actually, what a vision that was. What a vision that was. Bottom tail. Wow, this is choppy. Bottom tail. Bottom tail, 136%.
136%.
Bottom tail. Pushing. Pushing. 138. Don't tease. Bottom tail. Come on now. Come on now. RSI starting to move into the overboard area, but it's got a little bit of room. Give me one more squeezy. Come on. One more for Papa. Papa needs a new pair of, I don't know, alligator boots. I don't know. I don't wear alligator boots. I don't wear boots, yo. I wear sneakers, man. I'm like chill, yo. I don't wear those boots. I don't know. I got nothing against it, but I don't know. It's a bottom tail red. We need it to be a bottom tail green. Resistance at 50 cents. Come on, man. You interrupted my story. I was talking about the beautiful purple sand. Was it purple? No, pink.
Pink sand.
Purple sand. It's pushing. It's pushing. 139. It's not bumping. It's not bumping. 139. Holding it just above the 50 cents. Or, okay, it's not holding. It's pulling back. Come on. I think it's going to go.
Yeah.
Come on. Come on. Come on. Go. Come on. Yes or no? Yes or no? If it goes below this level, it's more no than yes. Come on. Come on. Come on. What are you doing? Come on. Stay above this level. Right over here. Right over here. We'll put a little ringy dingy for you. Come on. Stay above this level. Right there. Stay above it. Okay. Bottom tail red. We need a bottom tail green. Bottom tail green. Volume. Come on. Volume. Let's see. This particular candle has 1.1 million shares. Let's go to the 5-minute doubles. 5 minutes. Let's see if there's a confluence. Oh my, it needs to reclaim that top tail. And it looks like it wants to reclaim it. It's reclaiming the tail. It ain't bad to have a little tail every now and then. I'm just saying. DBL moms, behave. Put the chunklet away. It's pumping, it's pumping, it's pushing, it's pushing. 141%. Oh my, let's have that share party going on. Let's go to 200. Huh, Rudy says, I've been in SOAR since 34 cents. Let's go, baby. Huh. JD, very good morning, everybody. What do you think about HCWB? We'll check it out in a second because right now, SOAR is soaring 143%. Okay, 51.35, the new level. New level. Let's go and put it right over there, right around there. Roughly right around there. Let's go. It's pumping. It's pumping. We need it to push and push. It is extended. Extended. If I don't zoom in the room, it looks like that. So you could see it's super extended, but it's pushed. 145%. Doubles 145%. Oh my, the humanity of it. And it's reclaiming the wick. Flick of the wick, sir. Come on now. Give me a little more. Give me more. Squeezy, squeezy. Nice and easy. 147%. Come on. Come on. Let's look at it on the 1-minute doubles. Let's check it out. It's extended. We know it's extended. But it looks like the shorts got squeezed a little bit. Hold on. It's pulling back. I don't know. It's got to hold the support area over here. Right over here. 51.16-ish. It looks like it's not going to go down. It looks like it's trying to do a bottom tail doubles. Bottom tail. Bottom tail. 150%. Pushy, pushy. Squeezy, squeezy. 152%. 152%. Can we have 200? I know it's going to have to pull back probably before it does that. If it does that. If it does that. Not financial advice. Not stock advice. I'm just talking out loud. Hey, is that like LOL? Talking out loud?
No,
boy, am I a boomer. Boy, am I a boomer. No? I knew that. I was just testing you. Just testing you. Top tail, and it pulls back. Okay, a little bit of excitement. Okay.
Yay.
Rudy was in it for 34 cents. I like that. I like that. That means you made some loot. I hope you made some loot. Yeah. 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 All right. Now, we got JD that wants us to check out HCWB. Let's go check it out. I think we might have a little bit of a bounce over here, but let's see. Let's see if it can bounce. Can it bounce? I don't think so. Maybe not. All right. HC. Again, this keyboard's too small.
Broke the other one.
I didn't break nothing. It was your mother that did it. It was your mother, not me. Doubles. Okay. All right, we're looking at HCWB. HCWB, let's check it out. So HCWB ran yesterday on news of entering into a licensing agreement, right? If I remember correctly, yeah, that's right. It was a licensing agreement. But then early in the morning, late in the evening yesterday, it diluted. It diluted $6.9 million worth of a direct offer, and it went down. It went down. And I don't know. I thought there might have been some other news. No, there was no other news other than that. And then it recovered and it ran early in the morning. But right now, it's very much below the VWAP. Very much below the VWAP. And it really needs to get above the VWAP, which is roughly around $1.66. It's formed somewhat of a bearish, irregular double top. So you got a top over here, top over there, and you've had a sell-off since the double top. So really it needs to break this downward trend. It needs to get above the VWAP, and it needs volume, because if we do a zoom in the room and we take a look at this particular candle right over here, this particular candle only has about 78,000 shares. 78,000 shares, not a lot of volume on it. The float, 19 million. Volume's only 26 million, so there's not a lot of volume on it. And it's on an extension, and it already diluted once, so that might scare people. Let's go back to SOAR. It looks like it might be pumping and pumping. Let's see. Will it?
Yes.
Will it pump and pump? Will it push and push? Let's go check it out.
Oh, baby.
It actually did pump as we moved away from it. All right, so the new level right now is at around $5, 53.29, 53 cents and 29, 53.29. It looks like it's trying to recover, and it looks like it might be pushing and pushing. Oh my, oh my! SOAR currently up 152%.
152%.
Resistance is at around 53.5. It's still trending up. It looks like it wants to do another squeezy. It's pushing 158%. Ladies and gentlemen, let's get that share party going on. Let's go. Ha ha ha. Frog made some money. Let's go. Rudy said, yes, indeed, making money with SOAR. It's pushing 159%. Ladies and gentlemen, we got a little squeezy going on. Now it needs to hold at 53.5. Come on now, can you hold? It's extended. This is a 1 minute. Let's go take a look at the 5 minute. Oh my, look at how straight that arrow is. Oh my. Top tail. New resistance at 55. Needs to hold 53.5. Needs to hold 53.5. It's pushing. Top tail. It looks like it wants to reclaim the top tail. It's going after the top tail. Bottom tail red. We need a bottom tail green. Bottom tail green. Extended. RSI overbought. Candle diminishing in size. Red. Oh my. We got a mixed bag with the level 2 turning red. It looks like it wants to pull back, but it's trying to hold that level. 53.5. Can we have a micro pullback and then a pump up? Can we have an A, B, C, D bull pattern? I don't know. Let's see. I zoomed in too much. Let's zoom out a little bit. Look at that. I don't know. Look at how extended it is. Needs to stay above that trend line. Let's get that trend line drawn. Right over here, you got a trend line. We want it to stay above that trend line. Come on. Oh, wow. Look at what I see, doubles. We got like a potential pennant over here, too, but I don't think it can hold this trend line. It needs to hold the bottom trend to be a valid pennant. Can it be a valid bull pennant? Can we get another squeezy? Nice and easy. Here's your pennant right there. It's trying. It's got a bottom tail. It's squeezing. Oh my. 161%, man. You are slow as molasses, SOAR. Come on, soar like a bird. I don't know what kind of bird that is. I don't know. Is that like an eagle?
Yeah, I know.
How does an eagle sound?
I don't know.
That's an eagle, right?
That's a chicken.
Oh, chicken. I like eggs. I want myself some bacon, egg, and cheese, yo.
I
on a Kaiser roll, you know, with the poppy seeds, cause yo, my little bushy tail calls me Poppy, I Poppy, ooh.
Good Lord.
Listen, I had a life before you, son. 168%, 169%. I don't want to say nothing, but 170, 172, going to 200. Share party, folks. Come on. Share the stream. Let's go. Let's go. We're going to have 200 on this one. Come on. 170. We need 200 people in the chat. 200 people in the chat to give energy to SOAR. We need to see it raw. Come on, SOAR. We need to see it raw because our man, the one, the only, Rudy's in it with 34 cents, and I know he's happy right now. Let's do a SOAR party for Rudy. Come on now. Come on now. Let's go. Share party for me and a SOAR party for Rudy. Come on, Rudy. Come on. I'm rooting for you. I'm not in the stunk right now, but Rudy is. Huh. And the frog made money. If the frog made money, I'm happy.
Yeah.
I want frog to make money. All right, we got resistance at 583. 583 right there. And it's trying to form another bottom tail.
Bottom tail.
But we got a doji going on here. All right, listen, this is extended. So this is like all lotto right now. It's all lotto. You know what I'm saying, doubles? Let's see. Let's see. We got Stonks wants TRNR. We'll check it out as soon as we're done with SOAR. 177%. Pushing and pushing. Can we have a pump and a pump? It's pushing, it's pushing. Can we have a pump and a pump? Come on now. Come on now. 178%. 181%. Come on, 200. Let's get that share party. We're up to 163 people. Let's get that share party. This is going to get 200. Come on. We need 200%. Come on. Come on. Join your brothers. Join PRFX at 254%. Join your brother NCNC at 227%. Come on now. Come on now. They're waiting for you. They're waiting for you. I'm waiting for you. Hallelujah. Oh, my Lord. Hallelujah. 186% with SOAR. Come on now. SOAR. Do it. 186%. Do it. Push. Push. 189. Go, go, go. 61 cents. Go, go, go. Oh my, Rudy just closed. He's happy. He's doing a happy dance. Let's see. Can we get 200 over here? Top tail. Man, is it extended doubles?
Oh.
I'm out of breath. I'm so excited. I'm so excited. Come on now. Look, I even made a crooked line for you. Come on. Top tail. You're going to pull back? You're going to hold? Are you going to hold at the support level? 58.41. Are you going to hold? Come on. Ah, that's a top tail. I don't like that top tail.
No.
What was it? 186? 186? I'm going to change it on my sheet over here.
186.
186 so far on SOAR. SOAR, 186. 186%. Rudy made some money. Rudy made some money. Let's go. Let's go. We're going to do a party right now. A party. 6104. 6104 resistance area. Right around here. I didn't mean to do that. I got to change the graffiti pencil. Come on now. Why do they keep closing the chart every time I make a mistake with the graffiti pencil? I hate that. I hate that. This looks like a head and shoulders doubles. Yeah. Looks like a head and shoulders on the 1 minute. Let's take a look at it on the 5 minute. 5 minute. 5 minute. 5 minute. Top tail. No. Reclaim the wick. Get above this level. 58.21. Got to get above it. Got to get above it. I don't know. Losing momentum. Very extended. I mean, it was kind of exciting. But now it's like a head and shoulders. I don't know. What have you done for me lately? You know.
What have you done for me lately?
I mean, yeah, you went to 186%, but you didn't give me the 200 like I wanted it. You know. I don't think I'm asking for too much, ladies and gentlemen. Indelible Pride. Am I asking too much if I want SOAR to go to 200%? I mean, I don't think I'm asking for too much. No. I mean, tell me if I'm wrong. Tell me. It interrupted me. I was telling you the story about the beautiful purple sand in Bermuda.
Pink sand.
You say pink, I say purple. You say tomato, I say tomato.
I think it'd be pretty if it was purple.
Everybody's a critic. Everybody's a critic. You try doing what I'm doing. I don't even have my green M&Ms and my white rose petals. And my god-dong ring light just fell. My ring light fell. I'm stressing. I want to call it purple sand, okay? Purple. purple.
Okay.
Actually, I want to call it green sand. I like green. I like green. I like money. I like money. My name is Coach Nick Money. My name is not Coach Nick Grape. My name is not Coach Nick Rose Petal. Right? Because rose petals can be pink, right?
But don't you want the white ones?
Oh, the white ones. Yeah, that's true. But I like green, yo. Give me the green M&Ms. Give me the green M&Ms. Can I have an ABCD pattern?
Yay.
Can I have an ABCD pattern? Can you push? Can we have an A, a B, a C, and a D all the way up here? Could we do it? Could we do it? Come on now. Come on now. Huh. Huh. All right, you know what? I got to go check out TRNR for stank. TRNR. You see? Look. You see? Look.
See this?
Yeah, You see? I'm getting ready to switch stocks, and what are you doing? What are you doing? I see what you're doing. You're trying to do an ABCD bull pattern. I see you.
Oh.
But you might end up being a double top. So, yeah, you're in the channel right now.
In the channel
Let me get that graffiti pencils activated over here. You're in that channel over here. You got a channel of support right around 58 cents. You got a channel of resistance 6104. You need to make up your mind. You need to make up your mind. Are you going to break down? I mean, you are super extended. I know. You broke out of the bull pennant for me. I know. You went up 186%. I get it. What? You want me to talk to your manager? No, I'm not going to talk to your manager. You're fired. Unless you give me 200%, SOAR. You're fired.
Oh.
I'm so upset I had to have espresso ice. I had to. Ladies and gentlemen, 166%.
Getting upset.
No, 186%. 186%.
Yes, sir.
All right. Okay. Back to TRNR. Finally. TRNR, but I'm watching you. SOAR. I'm watching you. All right, TRNR selling off that for triple topping. It triple topped. Let's get the graffiti pencil activated. You got a top over here. Top over there. Top over there, and basically a sell-off ever since. So that's the story. That's the story with that one right now. It's I don't know. Not really doing too well. It needs volume. Let's go back to SOAR. See what SOAR's doing. SOAR is selling off. Yeah, it's selling off. It's trying to bounce off the 9 EMA on the 1 minute. I don't know. We'll see what happens with it. Snow. Let's check out SNOA. SNOA pumping and bumping somewhat, up 31%. Pharmaceutical receives FDA clearance for microcin-based wound care hydrogel. Float 1.2 million, volume 1.1 million. This stock has a history of doing flusheroos, so I'm a little concerned about this one. But we'll put a little graffiti pencil out for it. Why not? Let's see what happens. You're extended. I don't really trust you, so I'm going to put you on a side chart.
Side chart?
Yeah, Snow, you have a history of doing flusheroos, so you're on a side chart. In fact, let's go take a look at your history. Look at how you pop and you drop. You pop and you drop. Pop and drop. Listen, I don't like roller coasters, Snow. Okay, so I'm not falling for your baloney. You need to go north, and that's it. I don't want you to go south. North. Your name is Snow. What are you going south for? You got to go to the cold weather. You got to do some skiing. You know what I mean?
It's snow.
It is snow. Snow. What are you doing? Anyway, I've had enough of you, Snow. I've just had enough of the snow this year. It's terrible. It's terrible down here in Florida. Too much snow. SOAR. I don't want to be a sore loser, but you didn't go up to 200%.
200%.
I don't want to ask for too much, but can we have that ABCD now? Too many top tails. I don't know. Ladies and gentlemen, we're going to be wrapping up the stream right now and bring it to the private Discord. Come and join us. I think you'll have a good time with it. We go real in depth and start really analyzing everything. We're a lot more serious in the private Discord live stream. So if you want to join us, you could do a 4-day trial by clicking the link in the description or in the pinned comment for $1.99. Go ahead and do it. See us in action with your own eyes. See what a lot of folks are talking about. Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. You want to do that. You want to do that. I'm telling you. I'm telling you, you're going to want that. Let me just tell you a little bit about what we do there. I'll read it to you. We'll give you access to our real-time stock monitoring alerts for parabolic microcap, NASDAQ, and New York Stock Exchange stock runners. We monitor potential parabolic runners pre-market, regular hours, and after hours. Who does that? Nobody except us. Nobody. Everybody has to get some sleep. I got to wipe my nose. I got a cold. No. You gotta work it, baby. I'm hustling, folks. Because we call a lot of bangers a lot of times. You'll also be given access to our private Discord opening bell live stream where we search for parabolic runners with the Serengeti specialist with her bushy tail. That's right. And we share how we use various indicators and tools to determine how we plan to trade these stocks. We also share our personal entry, price targets, and stock loss for stocks we plan to trade. Doubles. You'll also get access to our early stock watch list the day before, the evening before for the next day. And of course, we give you the early stock list again right at the early ringing of the pre-market as well. So you get two lists, not one, two, because you're twice as nice. What's up?
Yes, sir.
What's up? And in addition to that, we also give you access to our real-time stock news search feature for NASDAQ, New York Stock Exchange, and Amex. That's right. You can search your news and your filings on our Discord. Who does that? Nobody except us. It's a service that's an invaluable tool, I say. So click the link in the description and in the pinned comment. All right, folks. Make a lot of money because I am Coach Nick Money, and I'm with the indelible one, DBL Nick's in the house.
Yes.
And
AKA.
the bushy tail. Oh, yeah, I left that out. AKA.
The Rainmaker.
Yeah, baby. And the bushy tail Serengeti specialist herself, the one, the only DBL Moms. Hey. Yeah, baby. Make a